Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I'm Shazwani binti Ahmad who present our innovation titled Byte Snap mobile app as assistive technology for special need. Meet our team, Puan Hasnul Fazlin and also Kuah Rebun. Problem statement. Cause special needs students have a different cognitive and psychomotor level among them. Number two is requirement. Students with special need and also module lecturers and community. The third one helps too. Nowadays we see a lot of assistive technology for special need but in elective subject. But we see the technical subject is still lacking in teaching and learning. The first one is about timing. Time period in class is very short, so teachers of lecture have to teach very quickly. It can causing students to lack focus, to unable to understanding what they learn that day. Purpose solution. We have built the KPT version 1. We want to improve the version 1 to the Byte Snap to improve understanding of students with special needs and improve the teaching and learning process by integrating assistive technology. And then from the Capital Click, we enhance that using technology. Assistive technology is more user friendly, is more flexible time, is more effective for reskilling and upskilling. Okay, application and implementation provide facilities, empower innovation in learning, teaching and learning for students with special needs. We improve existing innovation to be more friendly, and then we add on the AR features to enhance the integrative learning. We're using Zappa for digital contents. Implementation, development of AR enable teaching material, interactive engagement, accessibility for special needs learner, and also we make a collaboration partners and expertise. Our objective project is to produce best mobile apps for use by students with special need to improve existing innovation to be more user friendly. And the third one is to provide facilities and empowering innovation in teaching and learning for students with special need. Contributor. One, ByteSnap will with the mobile apps it can produce workers with special need who are more skilled in pastry field. Number two, we go to one copyright will be registered for improved version 2 innovation. The third one is collaboration. We have a collaboration with a National University of Malaysia Faculty Special Education Center Research and Community Wellbeing with Dr. Azmi Nordin is provide advice and addressing the needs of students with special need in Tibet. The first one, community can benefit the community and integrate income for the future. Cost effective, reduction in material costs, the use of AR powered learning, the needs of intensive print learning material as students can access video, notes, tool and digital. Number two is scalability and usability. Once we develop this Byte Snap, it can be used repeatedly without additional cost, benefit future batch for the student. The third one is potential for commercialization. Okay, Byte Snap can be potential commercialization for educator, community, careers, growth, and also for the students. This is our product. This is a version 1, KPT Click version 1. We enhance to the ByteSnap mobile apps version 2. This is demonstration how it's work. This is a surface in the phone. We have recipe, notes, tools, also video. And then we have a collectible card. We have recipe and also video. Okay, this is awards and copyright. We have win a competition, silver medals in innovation competition, and also we sharing with other institutional with College Community Bali and also NGO. And for the version 1 KPT Click, we also have a copyright. That's all for me. Thank you so much.